In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update uTorrent in PC. Keeping your app up to date helps improve performance, fix bugs, and strengthen security, so it's a good idea to check for updates regularly. This method uses the built-in updater inside the desktop app, so you don't need to visit any websites or download anything manually. First, go to uTorrent, open the application on your PC just like you normally would, either from a desktop shortcut or through your Start menu. Give it a moment to load so you can see your main window with your torrents in the top menu bar. Make sure you're connected to the internet since the updater needs to reach the server. If you have downloads running, that's okay. uTorrent can usually handle an update check without interrupting them. Next, click on Help. You'll find Help in the top menu bar of the uTorrent window, alongside options like File and Options. If your menu bar isn't visible, click once on the app window to bring it into focus and try pressing the Alt key on your keyboard to reveal it. Selecting Help opens a small drop-down menu with maintenance and support options. Now, click on Check for Update. This tells uTorrent to look for the latest available version. You'll typically see a quick progress indicator or a prompt. If you're already on the newest version, uTorrent will let you know and you can continue using the app as usual. If an update is available, you'll get a message describing the new version and what's included. Follow the on-screen prompt to proceed. uTorrent may download the update and apply it automatically. Keep the app open and avoid interrupting the process so it can complete smoothly. During the update, uTorrent might briefly restart itself. That's normal. Any active tasks generally resume afterward, and your settings should remain the same. If you're asked to confirm or allow the update within the app, simply accept and let it finish. The entire process usually takes just a minute or two, depending on your connection. That's all there is to it. Open uTorrent, go to Help, and choose Check for Update. Using the built-in updater is the most reliable way to stay current, and it ensures you're getting the latest improvements directly from the source. If the app reports that you're up to date, you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and keep your apps updated for the best experience on your PC.